Okay, guys. What's up, guys? My name is Thor, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing a Rubik's Cube review. So got a Rubik's Cube for Christmas because everybody knows it's Christmas today. Happy Christmas to everyone. Yeah. Happy Christmas. Happy Christmas. Merry Christmas to everyone, and I'll go get my other presents. I have 3 other presents. Okay, I have it. Ugh. Okay, so you guys know I got an iPhone 6s, right? Well, parents were nice enough to get me an iTunes card, $25 on it, and I'll show you the front and back. Okay, so here's the front, iTunes, $25, and here's the back. But I can't show you my name because my parents don't want me to. And it says from Mom and Dad. See, it says from Mom and Dad. Can't show you my name. It says to my name and from Mom and Dad. So thanks, Mom and Dad. I just opened these like a few minutes ago. And I also got Monopoly. I've had it before, but I don't know what happened to it. Yeah, Monopoly. So let's just unbox. I'm not gonna be unboxing Monopoly. I'm gonna be unboxing this thing. So here you go. All the colors, it's awesome. Yeah, here you go. And I've had a Rubik's Cube before, and I can prove it to you because I have this thing, and this is Rubik's. And that's also right here. But I'm gonna go get some scissors to open this thing. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna cut this thing open. Okay, so we got it open. Okay, so it's all the way open. So let's pull this thing out. I'm gonna get this over here. Okay. Wow, it just slipped out of there. Okay. Now here's one part I need it. Yeah. Slipped out. the other part out, which is right here. It just stands like that. Yeah, it just stands that, like that. I don't remember. However you turn it, however you have it. Okay, so yeah, first turns. Okay, it's pretty good. Okay, pretty good. Wow. Okay. Okay, so the way I do it to make it go faster is I just dump it in some water and then it gets all I don't know the term, but gets kind of oily inside, if that was a good term. Wow, this is awesome. I love it. So now I have 2 of these things. Great! Oh. Okay. So yeah. This video is not gonna be that long, so yeah, I might give it away, I might not, no, I'm not gonna give it away, because I'm appreciative for Christmas presents. Come on, turn it always up. Okay, so it can't do corner cuts. Oh, crap. Yeah. I'm never gonna unsolve this. This is about my 10th Rubik's Cube I've gotten because I can't solve it. I can only solve one side. I'm gonna leave it solved the whole time. Yeah. It's hard as heck. You have to get all the sides the same. It's hard. It's just a waste of time. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I was about to say if this video hits 20 likes, I was gonna unsolve it. No. I'm not unsolving this ever. I'm never ever unsolving this. This is gonna be keep. I will put this. I don't know. I'll just keep it so. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked, be sure to click on the like button. If you want to subscribe, be sure to subscribe right now. Yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, guys. Peace out.